Hi, today I wanted to show you how to use the Thanksgiving Jamboard and word search. So here in the slides, you'll see a link for the Jamboard, and you're going to need to click on that. And right away, I put this post-it here to remind you to copy this file. So you'll go to the three dots, click Make a Copy, call it what you want, save it where you want, and click OK. And the computer will make a copy. When you're done making a copy, you'll need to share it. Click Share on the top right. You can send it to someone by email. I'm going to send it to another email. As an editor, make sure you have editor, click Send, or you can share it with your class by clicking Change to anyone with a link, but you need to make sure you change it to editor. Then click Copy, click Done. And then you can paste that into your Google Classroom or an email as well and send it to whoever you want to send it. So there are different ways to do that. Over to the left are some features, basic features in Jamboard. And one important feature would be a laser pen. All right, let me just go. You could just delete this by going on this cursor, clicking that, and click Delete. And the same thing for the arrow, delete. When you make a mistake, you just can click the undo. So here is a Jamboard here. Kids would choose the pen. Load up. Kids would choose the pen and circle the words that they're choosing. You can choose different color pens. So here I can choose, say I'm looking for the word place cards. I have a blue pen, and I would just come up here and I would circle with my pen. And if I'm working with somebody, they can be using a different pen and circle a different word. And that's how you would do that. And there are different tips and thicknesses to the pens. So you can see here. So whatever you want to use, if someone makes a mistake, they click undo. You'll have 1, 2, 3, 4 word searches, and then a crossword puzzle, which is kind of cool. And these clues are from the board holiday traditions. So if you're working on any kind of vocabulary, the words are here if they need some support. And here are the clues. On the top is an expand bar where all the boards are, and you can decide that you're going to delete or duplicate the board. So say you want 2 kids in this, a handful of kids, you can come up here in the expand bar, click these 3 dots, and click duplicate if you want 2 of the Thanksgiving directions, or delete one. Now, when your students are working in this, if you want to see them, I shared it. So they would go into the Google Drive, click Shared with Me in Google Drive, and they will double click on it, and you'll see their avatar. See it popped up here. This is another email address. And if you tell that student, okay, you're in board 2, you can see that board jump. You can see that student jump to board 2. Let's see. And you see them jump around. So that person's in board 2 or 3, and they bounce around. You can see the kids working in that board. So that is how you use Jamboard for a crossword puzzle or a word search. I hope you find it helpful and the kids have fun. Have a happy holiday.